Today's word is herald, spelled as Herald. Herald. What is the meaning of herald? Herald is a verb meaning to give notice of. It is synonymous with announce, publicize, and foreshadow. Herald may also mean to greet, especially with enthusiasm. Example of herald in a sentence. The appearance of Robins heralded the advent of spring. She is being heralded as the year's best new author. Herald in context. Trumpets herald the arrival of the players at the arena. Synonyms of herald: adumbrate, forerun, foreshadow, harbinger, prefigure.